Students, next one is the material reading. In your material, 7th Roman letter, answer in detail. Third question. Explain three major parts of human brain. First one forebrain, second one midbrain, third one hindbrain. First one is the forebrain. The forebrain consists of cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. The forebrain consists of cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. It is the largest part of the brain. It is the largest part of the brain. It is the center of human memory. It is the center of human memory. It is responsible for intelligence, imagination and reasoning. It is responsible for intelligence, imagination and reasoning. Next one is the midbrain. It lies behind the cerebrum. It lies behind the cerebrum. It coordinates the movements of the muscles of the body. It coordinates the movements of the muscles of the body. It helps to maintain the balance of the body. It helps to maintain the balance of the body. And last one is the hindbrain. The hindbrain comprises of pons and medulla oblongata. The hindbrain comprises of pons and medulla oblongata. It is also called the brainstem. It is also called the brainstem. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. Next one, fourth question. Label the diagram given below. Students, do you know this is the brain diagram? See the parts once again. And this part is first part cerebrum, and this part is called as the cerebrum, and this part is called as the thalamus. This part is called as the thalamus, and this place is called as the hypothalamus, and this place is called as the hypothalamus, and this one is called as the medulla oblongata, and this one is called as the medulla oblongata. Last one, that tube-like structure, this place is called as the spinal cord, and this one is called as the cerebellum, and this one is called as the cerebellum. Students, take one rough note, draw this diagram and mark the parts for in your reference. Okay. Next, project. Make a model of lungs with the help of locally available materials. Students, in your home itself many materials are there. You have to be used in the things to make a model of lungs. For example, balloon, water bottle, straw, polythene paper, clay. இதெல்லாமே உங்கள் வீட்டில் கிடைக்கக்கூடிய திங்ஸ். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், உங்கள் வீட்டில் என்னென்ன திங்ஸ் கிடைக்குமோ அதை வச்சு நீங்கள் வந்து மாடல் ஆஃப் லங்ஸை வந்து ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலாம். நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருந்தேன், பலூன், வாட்டர் பாட்டில், ஸ்ட்ரா, பாலித்தீன் பேப்பர்லாம் வச்சு நீங்கள் வீட்டிலேயே லங்ஸை ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே. Next one is the worksheet 1. First Roman letter, identify the following organ systems. First one, students, see the diagram. In this system have 2 kidneys and then ureter, urinary bladder and then urethra. Students, do you think in which system have these parts? Think and write the correct answer. And then second one, this one, students, this diagram have a heart, blood and blood vessels. Do you think, students, in which system have these parts? Think and write the correct answer in correct place. And then third one, look at this diagram. This diagram have a esophagus, liver, pancreas, small intestine and then large intestine. Students, do you think in which system have these parts? Think and write the correct answer. And then fourth one, this diagram have a brain and then spinal cord and many nerves are there. Students, do you think in which system have a these parts? Write correct answer. And then last one, look at this picture. In this picture have nostrils and then trachea, two lungs are there, in downside diaphragm also there. Do you think in which system have these parts? Think and write the correct answer. Okay students. Next, second Roman letter. Label the second Roman letter. Label the parts for the following digestive system. Students, this is the digestive system diagram. Already I was explained. Refer in your book and write the correct parts in a correct place. Okay students. And then third Roman letter. Third Roman letter. Arrange the following respiratory system in a correct sequence. First one, bronchioles, nasal cavity, larynx, trachea, nostrils, pharynx, alveoli, bronchi. Students, these are the respiratory system sequence. These sequences are shuffled. Shuffled means இந்த sequence எல்லாமே மாறி மாறி இருக்கு. நீங்க correct sequenceல இதை கரெக்டா எழுதணும். Okay students. Next one, match the following. Look at this. In left side they are given in the 5 system. Right side they are given in the functions on that system. You should match the correct system in correct function. First one, excretory system. Circulates blood throughout the body. Second one, digestive system. It is used to think, read and write. Third one, respiratory system. Conversion of complex food molecules into small molecules. Fourth one, nervous system. Removes waste from the body. Fifth one, circulatory system. Provides oxygen to the body. Provides oxygen to the body. Students, you should match the correct system in a correct function. Okay. Worksheet nalla eludunga. Thank you.